there is a secret your ancestors kept. A secret about you. A force older than your incarnator, older than your breath, older than your family lineage. Your elemental spirit, your Mmụọ, has been calling you. And until you reconnect, your destiny can never, feel fully aligned. You see, growing up in the village or in the Igbo land, you may have heard, people saying, ọ bụ nwa mmiri, ọ bụ nwa ikuku, ọ bụ nwa ala, ọ bụ nwa ọfịa, okay? Or onye a nwere ọkụ n'ime ya, ọ nwoke a bụ nke ikuku. You say these are not ordinary descriptions. They are ancestral codes revealing the elemental force that shapes personal spiritual temperament, their gifts, their weaknesses. You see, they are part of power and even the way that their chi expresses itself. You see, if you're just joining us for the first time on this channel, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the video so that you can awaken souls, okay? And you can also send us a message on this WhatsApp handle. If what we share in this video interests you and you're curious, you want to know, okay, you want to know more, send us a message on this WhatsApp handle 090-1781-8674. We will help you, okay? We do deep alpha consultation reading. Yes, and about me. My role more teacher, okay? So, be that as it may, it's still your personal person. Dr. Nwachiyamereze Oguamalam. Thank you. Here is the value bomb in this video today. What is your elemental spirit? Yes, you that is watching this video right now. What is your elemental spirit? I mean, you need to understand that in Odinala spiritual consciousness, every soul incarnates through one of the four sacred elements. Number one, Mmiri, talking about the water spirits. The water spirits has depth, intuition, and emotional power. You see, those born under water spirits feel everything deeply. They dream vividly. They carry healing and ancestral memory. You may be one as a water spirit. Take a deep assessment and watch this video over and over again and watch it to the end as well. Number two, Mmụọ, the fire spirits. The fire spirits are of passion, transformation, and boldness. You see, people born under this element are warriors of purpose. You see, they're born through obstacles and inspire movement in others. Is that yours? Number three, Ikuku, the air elements or the air spirits. The air spirits are of insight, inspiration, communication, and wisdom. You see, these are the messengers, the seers, the teachers, the diviners, and the spiritual liberators. They read energies like they read a scroll or they read a book. Number four, Mmụọ, the earth spirits. The earth spirits are of stability, abundance, and manifestation. You see, these are the builders, the custodians of traditions, the organizers, and the pillars of their own communities. You see, your elemental spirit is the energetic doorway through which your chi expresses your destiny. And that is why it's very important to understand which of the element or elemental spirit is yours. And to also go deeper in reconnecting with this force, because it helps your chi to express itself massively. You see, there is a whole lot of shift today. Why many people feel lost today in so many areas. In the modern life, we have become disconnected from the elemental roots. And let it be known to you that when you live against your element, this is what happens. For the water spirits, when you live against your element, the water spirits become overwhelmed. The fire spirits become frustrated. The air spirits become confused. And the earth spirits, become stagnant. And many people mistake these signals, these signs, for bad luck. It is not bad luck. It is disconnection. But here is the turning point. How you can be able to reconnect with your own elemental force. And if you're not sure of which of these elements are yours, send us a message on this WhatsApp handle 090-178-18674. We will help you with deep alpha consultation ready to dictate which of these elements are truly yours, so that you will no longer be living in confusion or speculation or assumption that you are of a water spirit element or air spirit element or earth spirit element or the fire spirit element. Let it be known to you that to reconnect with your elemental spirit, the ancestors gave simple but powerful ways to do that. And these are the things you can start with today if you are not yet ready to go through the deep, simple but powerful way that the ancestors left us to have a proper reconnection. If you are of the water spirits, you can simply sit near, clean water, take a water bath, or pray with your feet in the water. If you're of the fire spirits, you can use candles. Sunlight rituals is also good. Okay? Or you can indulge in exercises that are waking willpower. And if yours is of the air, spirits, element, you can sit quietly, under the quiet air. You can chant, you can meditate, and you can as well speak your intentions through affirmation, and you can as well use incense, okay, for a reconnection. And if you're of the earth, okay, the earth spirit element, you can walk barefoot on the soil. You can tend to plants, as well as you can as well use grounded rituals. There are grounded rituals you can use in order to get through. The moment you return to your elemental spirit is the moment clarity awakens in your life. Your gifts unlocks. And, your abundance begin to manifest. In fact, your relationships becomes peaceful. Opportunities begin to open. Things that have not been working start working. And even your chi rises to express massively itself. to a very large extent. If you do not know your elemental spirit or elemental force or elemental, power, you're missing a lot. Do your deep alpha consultation reading today. In order to know for sure which of these elemental, the 4 sacred elementals, am I truly. A whole lot of people are dabbling into, I am a water child and I'm doing water reconnection. I'm a Mmiri, but at the end of the day, none of that is reflecting their real desires. Because you may be missing your elemental spirit. You may be missing your elemental connection. Reconnect today and your joy will truly be full. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, share this video, share this video. You might be helping someone somewhere. And if you want to know which which elemental spirit governs your destiny and how you can deeply reconnect with them, send us a message on this WhatsApp handle 09017818674 09017818674 and drop in the comment section your birthday and your market day so that we can be able to help you for a personal elemental direction. All right? And if this teaching touch your spirit, don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, and to send us a message on the WhatsApp handle, Awaken Another Soul. Your element is not a symbol. It is your spiritual fingerprint. Return to it, and your destiny will return to you. Peace and joy. Thank you. Click on this video here or there. Signs I am a water child, and how to maintain your water reconnection if you are a water child. It will help you. And if you have not reconnected deeply and truly, properly with your water people, try to make sure you do so. Get engaged with us and we will help you. Thank you very much. We shall be all well with you. Don't remain in confusion. Don't be frustrated. There is hope. And things will definitely turn out for your highest good. He said...